guys, Chris here again. So we're doing vectors today, and if you're doing vectors or if your vector is in your syllabus, you have to pay attention. All right, so we have three vectors. These are position vectors. So this is position vector of A, position vector of B, position vector of C. We're told to find the equation of line L, and if you read carefully, you were told that L passes through B and C, passes through B then to C. So this question is directly telling you, find equation of BC. That's what the question is saying. So what do we do next? So if you watch my previous video, how I summarize vectors in 5 minutes, you will know to find BC, I need the starting point, then the displacement of BC. So the first thing, I'm going to find BC. So I need starting point. So this is 1. So for 1, I need the starting point, which is 1, 3, minus 2, plus lambda BC. And how can I find BC? This is C minus B. Remember I said 3 to 7. What is the distance? It is 7 minus 3. Same thing. So C minus B. So C minus B, which is the same thing as OC minus OB. So same thing. So OC is 2 minus 1, 3, minus OB, 1, 3, minus 2. So this will give me 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 1. This is 5. 3 minus 2. Always check your answer. So I'm going to check so that you have the habit of checking. All right, so that will give me, yes, I think I found a mistake. See? So this is 2 minus 1 is 1, right? Always check your answer. We are all humans. So 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 minus 1 minus 3, 3 minus, okay. So that is my answer will be 1, 3 minus 2 plus lambda. You can use t, you can use lambda, you can use mu. Then 1 minus 4, 5. So this is my equation of L1. Second one tells me the point P is the foot of the perpendicular from A to L. Now people struggle with this. Have a line L1 and have A. A meets L1 at P, that's the foot. They tell me to find, so O can be anywhere. This is origin, so I need to find OP. I need to just find P. P is OP because we are relating everything from the origin to wherever we are going to. So this is OA. So if I say A is here, this is OA. So we're just finding OP, the position vector of P from the origin. To do this, we need the dot product. Because this is perpendicular, you should know that dot product of two vectors gives me 0. So you should know that. So this will be PA dot direction of L. This is the same whenever you're doing this kind of question. So you need to find this and the direction. We use direction vectors to get the angle. So note that we don't use the starting vector. So I need to find PA. What is P? P is L1 because anywhere here is L1. This is the equation of a line. So vector equation. So anywhere on L is this. So at this point, I will just, so this is 1 plus lambda, 3 minus 4 lambda, and minus 2 plus 5 lambda. So this is anywhere on L, but I'm looking at that point P. I need to find PA. So I need to find this. You can do AP or PA, doesn't matter. So PA is A minus P, or you can do AP. They are the same, doesn't matter which one you do. So let's do any one. So PA is A, so A, what's A? A is 1, 2, 0. So 1, 2, 0 minus 1 plus lambda, 3 minus 4 lambda, minus 2 plus 5 lambda. So if I minus them, I will get 1 minus, so this will be minus, so minus lambda. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus 4 lambda. 0 minus, so this should be 2 minus 5 lambda. So remember, the minus affects what is inside. So this will be minus lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda, 2 minus 5 lambda, dot direction of L is this. So 1 minus 4, 5. So let me do the dot product. So this will give you minus lambda. This will be plus 4 minus 16 lambda. I'm just multiplying them. Dot product of two vectors gives me scalar. So this should be, this what did I write here? So this will be, okay, 16 lambda plus 10 minus 25 lambda is equal to 0. So let me collect like terms. So this will give me 14 is equals to 25 plus 16. That is, so I'm moving everything to this side. So 25 plus 16, that's 41, 42 lambda. So lambda will be 14 over 42. So that should give me 14 times 3. Yes, so that will give me lambda as 1 by 3. So my lambda is 1 by 3. So now, what do we do? So where do we put lambda? Remember, I'm finding O to P. So I need to put it here to get the particular point P is. If they say find A to P, then you need to do, then you will be using this. So this is actually PA. This is PA. So you should know what you're looking for. So if they say A to P, you will find P minus A. If they say magnitude of OP, then I will just do the distance of this. All right. So this will be, so OP, so okay, I will just write it here. So OP will be, so 1, so that will be 2 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by, so that's 4 by 3, sorry. 4 by 3. This will be 3 minus 4 by 3, because lambda is 1 by 3. So times 3 times 3. So that will be 2 by, no, 5 by 3, because this will be 9. 5 by 3. You can use your calculator. I'm just doing mental math. All right, so that will be minus 2 plus 5 by 3. 3, so that will be 6 here. So that will be minus. So this is my answer. You can write it like this, or you can bring the 1, you can bring the 1 by 3 out, right? 4, 5 minus 1. So this is how we find the foot of perpendicular. So you should know what you're doing. So they ask the question in different way. Find OP, find AP, find PA, find magnitude of P of the position vector, find the distance, find the, so they can ask you in different forms. So know how to find this. So getting this depends on what you're looking for, but you have to go through this route. Okay, all right, now let's do the last part of the question. So the last part of the question is, let me see. So the last part of the question tells us we should find the point D is a reflection of A in L. So this is line. So there's a reflection of A in L. So D is somewhere here. So point D is somewhere here. And this is this. So you should know what to do from here. This is just midpoint. So I need, so this, so I have, I'm doing a triple I. Sorry, it's crampy, okay? You know the board is small. So this is triple I. So I have this is L, and this. So this is so you can just do midpoint. So 1, 2, 0. L is here. You need X, Y, Z. You already know L. So remember this is a 3D, okay? So you already know what P is. P is 4 by 3 and 5 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. That's P. So there are different ways of doing it. These two distances are the same. So you can do 2 times this, then you can add it to the first. So this is A and this is D. So the easiest way, just do X plus 1. So this plus this over 2 is equals to 4 by 3. Then you solve. Then this will be Y plus 2 over 2 is equals to 5 by 3. I'm using midpoint formula. Then 2 plus 0 over 2, sorry, Z, this looks like 2. Z plus 0 over 2 is equals to minus 1 by 3. So whatever you get, you have to put it in column vector. So this will be 8 over 3 minus 1. So I will just do this one. This one will be minus 2 by 3. So I want you to finish up and you should get the answer. So I hope it's clear what you need to do. If it's not clear, just put in the comment section. I will explain better. So I think I will make a video on this concept on what to do or what to always do. All right, guys, take care of yourself and bye.